Types of adsorption. Depending on forces which hold the adsorbate on the surface of adsorbent, there are mainly two types of adsorption: physisorption and chemisorption. Physisorption is also known as physical adsorption, while the chemisorption is known as chemical adsorption. So here we will start with physisorption. In physical adsorption or physisorption, forces of attraction between adsorbent and adsorbate is weak van der Waals forces. So as we know that the molecules are held by weak van der Waals forces, there will be less energy is released, so the enthalpy of adsorption is low. Chemical adsorption or chemisorption. When the force of attraction existing between adsorbate and adsorbent are almost of the same strength as chemical bonds, the adsorption is called chemical adsorption. Distinguish between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. In physical adsorption, forces of attraction between adsorbent and adsorbate is weak van der Waals forces, while in chemical adsorption, adsorbate is held to adsorbent by strong chemical bond. Physisorption is not specific in nature, that is, all gases are adsorbed on the surface to an extent. However, chemisorption is highly specific and will occur only when chemical bond is formed between adsorbate and adsorbent. Physical adsorption is reversible process due to weak van der Waals forces. However, in chemical adsorption, chemical bonds are formed between adsorbent and adsorbate molecule. For example, when oxygen is chemically adsorbed on the surface of carbon, to reverse this process, we will get carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide in a state of oxygen. Hence, chemical adsorption is irreversible in nature. Physical adsorption depends on the nature of gas. More easily liquefiable gases are adsorbed readily. Chemical adsorption also depends on the nature of gases. Gases which can react with the adsorbent show chemisorption. Let us now discuss about the enthalpy of adsorption. In physical adsorption, since the van der Waals forces are weak, the heat evolved or the enthalpy of adsorption is very little, around 20 to 40 kJ per mole. Chemical adsorption is also exothermic process. However, in chemical adsorption, surface compounds are formed and forces involved are similar to chemical bond. Thus, relatively high amount of heat is evolved, near about 80 to 240 kJ per mole. Therefore, the enthalpy of physical adsorption is low, whereas the enthalpy of chemical adsorption is very high. Next point is activation energy. Activation energy is the minimum energy required to convert reactant into the respective product. As we know, physical adsorption involves only weak van der Waals forces and does not involve to the formation of surface compound or any chemical bond. Therefore, it does not require activation energy. However, in chemical adsorption, the formation of surface compound, activation energy is required for the formation of chemical bond between adsorbent and adsorbate. Let us look at the type of molecular layer that are formed during physical and chemical adsorption. Layers of gas molecules are adsorbed one over another by van der Waals force in physical adsorption. That is why multimolecular layers are formed under high pressure in physical adsorption. In chemical adsorption, chemical bond is formed in molecule that comes in direct contact with the surface of adsorbent. Hence, only unimolecular layer is formed in chemical adsorption. Therefore, multimolecular layers are formed in physical adsorption, but only unimolecular layer is formed in chemical adsorption.